The home construction spreadsheet. It's a very powerful tool. Use it for your construction business, your personal home. If you will hire a general contractor, the home construction spreadsheet can help you speak to him or her more intelligently and make sure that you are aware of items that you may not have thought about, like materials that will be used for the home, and make sure they are of the quality that you would like. If you perform some of the work yourself, that will save you even more money. The home construction spreadsheet can help you think through what some of those areas may be. Can you lay flooring? Can you paint walls? Maybe you can even hang drywall. Even if you don't want to pick up a tool, you can subcontract out all the labor and still save 30% or more on the cost of your home by managing the construction yourself. Let's choose foundation as an example. The summary section says 9520. Scrolling down to the foundation section in the details area, 9520 is down here at the bottom. This is summarizing everything you took into account for your foundation. You can cost out an item using the lump sum option or the detailed option. Note that for this item, the APR interest rate that you are receiving from the bank is being considered. The format is a Gantt chart. The main inputs are start date and durations. You can change the predecessor data if needed. Click the refresh arrows button and the schedule is generated. All the information generated on the step-by-step checklist is pulled from the cost and schedule tabs, so you don't need to input anything on this tab. This becomes your roadmap as you build your house. These are payment points for labor and material. These tell you how much you can expect to pay and the date you will pay it. The totals at the bottom of the payment points match what's on the cost tab. For example, this $308,544 matches $308,544. The payment point information you saw earlier is shown graphically here. The labor is in blue. The material is in red. Green is the total, which also considers the APR interest rate that we saw earlier. The home construction spreadsheet, helping you to take control of the cost, schedule, and step-by-step checklist for your home.